Howdy, it's Casey with Snake River Seeds. I'm here with Kelly at a farm in Moscow. Hi, Kelly.
Hello.
Kelly's going to show us first thing, when you're going to do hand pollinating of squash, you want to know who is a quote male and who is a quote female flower. I don't mean to make this about heteronormativity, but it's just easier to talk about it that way. So Kelly is showing right now, this is a male flower. It has a straight stem that goes up into the flower, and this one's open today. Now this is opposed to like this one here is a female flower. She has a little zucchini stuck to her butt. So rather than a, yeah, there's another female flower right there. Yep, this one's opening in just a bit. We're in the morning here. This one will open today, and then that one will open tomorrow. So when you start to see a little yellow on the tip there, that's when you know that it'll open the next day. So now we're going to show you how to hand pollinate. Okay, so the first step is that Kelly came out here last night and she taped a bunch of these different male and female flowers shut with this blue painter's tape so that they won't be able to open this morning and get cross-pollinated by bees. So now what she's done is she's come in and she's taken she's picked a few of the male flowers off of a different plant, and now she's getting ready to do the hand pollinating. So tell us what you're up to here, Kelly.
All right, so I'm taking this female plant right here. I'm tearing the painter's tape off of it and opening up this flower. I'm taking a male plant that I brought from another plant, and I'm gonna take that pollen and just rub it on these female bits.
And why are you using a different plant?
Yeah, so I want to maintain genetic diversity on these plants. I don't want necessarily for this plant to be crossing with herself. So I've got pollen from another plant, a couple of other plants, so that this flower will be pollinated with multiple males from multiple different plants. The pollen's really looking good. We do this around 8 to 10 o'clock in the morning. After that, the pollen starts to diminish. So I got a lot of pollen on that flower. I'm going to take this painter's tape again and close it up. I don't want any other bees to get in here and bring any other pollen from any other plants, especially the neighbors. We have some Costata Romanesco behind us, and we don't want those crossing with these dark star zucchinis. So I'm just closing it back up.
You want to know who the dad is. You're the dad in this case.
Yeah, I'm the dad in this case. I'm just going to use I use a lot of tape just to make sure. I don't want bees to get caught in the tape, so I'm putting all the sticky edges in, covering it up, sealing it up tight. And then I have a little twist tie here, so when we come back in the fall, we need to be able to know who we hand pollinated and who we didn't, because we're going to miss some of these. We're not going to hand pollinate every squash in this patch. So I'm just putting this twist tie in. When we come in the fall, we'll find this little twist tie and we'll know that I hand pollinated this squash, and the seeds will be true to type.
Cool. Well, thank you so much for showing us how to do this.
It's pretty fun.